Hey guys, it's me Ben from the Ben Cozy YouTube channel. And in this video, I am gonna go ATVing in Bali. Getting ready for the ATV ride, we'll need to wear helmets and boots. Look at those ATVs, they're all ready. Need to finish some administration first. Oh yeah, just to make sure you will get the slot for the ATV ride and also get lower price, I'll suggest that you book first rather than coming on spot. The waiting place slash restaurant is quite comfy, right? And also, when we arrive, we get welcome drinks and we booked our ATV ride at 10 a.m. So by the time we finish, we get free lunch. Before we start the ATV ride, I go to the toilet. The toilets are clean and they also provide clean place for showering with soap and shampoo that we can use after we ride the ATV.
Okay, let's start.
Do you see me sitting at the back? It's because I'm not yet able to ride the ATV on my own. The first one is easy because it has a flat road and a nice view. By the way, this is also the end of June, so the weather in Bali is very comfortable, even though the sun is shining bright, but the air is still pretty cool. Now, we're gonna continue into a neighborhood. An interesting neighborhood view. Here we meet another group of the ATV ride. We're gonna need to cross this street first. The route becomes narrow, but still a flat road, so no problem. The guide is watching out, since it's a turn on a narrow road. Never mind, not actually too narrow. Now, we're gonna continue through the rice field route. guide alerts us that there's a slope down. The road is bumpy and it's sloping down. My ATV was bumped several times. The bump from a clearer angle. Okay, so the first harder route is now done. Now we're back to the rice field. And now we have another slope down. It's quite a steep slope. The guide told us to use the 2 brakes, but I was still getting bumped. According to the driver who bumped me, the brake is really hard. She has trouble to squeeze the brake probably. These are just like bumper cars. But actually, at steep slopes like this, it's safer for the ATVs to stick together to each other so it won't go sliding down on its own. At the first front is the instructor who blocks the other ATVs from sliding down.
There's also an ATV in our group that needs some help, so the instructor is going to help.
We also need to keep squeezing the brakes. It's not the easiest thing to do. And this is the view from another angle. And now we're going into a jungle. And now there's another steep slope. And this is the slope from a different angle. Finally free from the steep slopes. Now we're gonna continue, and here is a river view. And next will be the cave route. And now we're approaching the cave. Finally, the cave. There's a rock here. there's a small hole here, which is good because sunlight can come in and we can take pictures here. Let's continue, and I like the cave route better because it has cooler air. We can take more pictures here. And now, let's continue. Oh, come on, another bump again? And here it is from a different angle. I think the cave route takes 10 or 15 minutes in real time, because it already includes taking pictures. The cave route is about to end. After this, we go to the waterfall. We're going to the waterfall area. And here, we found another steep slope down. But this time, the ATV behind me got help with the brake from one of the guides. Do you remember the waterfall we just passed through? The water was just a bit, right? But now it just suddenly becomes a lot. We were surprised at first, but the guide said it's okay. It's just the volume of the water. Luckily, the changes of the water volume happens when none of us pass through it. If it happens, it would be dangerous, right? Okay, let's continue. We still need to go to the cave route after this. Here it is, another cave, but this time it has water in it. When going back, the road is mostly going up, so we might have to press on the gas a little bit harder. And here's some more nice view. We are about to arrive. Okay, we arrived. Now let's wash the tires. Now that we've finished, let's park the ATV. Okay, so that's my fun experience of Bali ATVing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye!